Welcome to math classes. Let's do some critical questions from trigonometry for the engineering entrance exams like JEE or BITSAT or other exams. Okay. Yeah, just these are one of the trigonometric series formulae which are very useful, and these questions are keep coming in JEE and other entrance exams. So let's revise these three series formulae. Okay. So sin A plus sin A plus x plus sin A plus 2x up to sine a plus n minus 1 x. Okay. If you see it, the angle is in arithmetic progression. Angle is in arithmetic progression. Okay. And it is a sine function. So this is equal to sine of nx by 2 divided by sine x by 2 into sine of a plus n minus 1 by 2 x. Okay. So this is the formula for this one. Okay. Remember this. And it is very easy to do the cos because similar formula for cos is cos a plus x plus cos a plus 2x. Okay, up to n terms is nothing but sine nx by 2 divided by sine x by 2, which is same as this one. Only difference is instead of sine you get cos. Okay, cos of a plus n minus 1 by 2 x. Okay, and there is one more formula for cos, product of cosine functions. Okay, here angles are in geometric progression. Okay, a 2a 2 square a up to 2 to the power of n minus 1 a. Okay, this is nothing but sine of 2 to the power of n by a divided by 2 to the power of n sine a. Okay, you can refer to my previous videos where one of them I think I gave the proof. Okay, you can check that. Let's get into the critical problems. Okay, so for theta belongs to minus pi by 3 to 0 inclusive, the points x comma y is equal to 3 tan theta plus pi by 3 comma 2 tan theta plus pi by 6. It lies on xy plus alpha x plus beta y plus gamma equal to 0, then what is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square? Okay. So to solve this problem, first check this equation here. Okay. This is the theta which lies on this. Okay. So is this, what kind of equation is this? Okay. So if we try to write everything in one single variable, then we will know what kind of equation that is. Right. So let's try to do that first. Okay. So now x comma y is given as, let's say theta plus pi by 6 is 5, then your 2 tan theta plus pi by 6, okay, 2 tan theta plus pi by 6, this one is equal to 2 tan 5, which is y, correct? So y is nothing but 2 tan 5. And what is x? 3 tan theta plus pi by 3, I can rewrite this as 3 tan 5 plus pi by 6, correct? Okay, this is my x. Okay, now theta plus tan 5 plus pi by 6 is equal to, like if I expand it, tan 5 plus tan pi by 6 divided by 1 minus tan 5 tan pi by 6. Okay, I can rewrite this as tan 5. Okay, tan 5 is nothing but y by 2. So y by 2 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus y by 2 into 1 by root 3. So that's what this is the expression. Okay, root 3y plus 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 5. Okay, this is my tan 5 plus pi by 6. Okay, once you know this, right, and my x is this one. My x is nothing but 3 tan theta plus pi by 3, which is nothing but 3 tan 5 plus pi by 6, right? So this is the 3 times of this value. Okay, so now once you know this one, okay, xy plus alpha x plus beta y plus gamma, this is nothing but, okay, if I replace my x with x value, okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so everything is in terms of y, basically there is no x. Okay, I just replaced x with y value. Now if I simplify it, okay, do it very carefully because there are a lot of certs involved here, right? This is what you will get. You will get a quadratic equation in y where the a is nothing but 3 root 3 minus beta. Okay, b is nothing but 6 plus 2 root 3 beta plus 3 root 3 alpha minus gamma, and constant term is 6 alpha plus 2 root 3 beta, gamma. Okay, now quadratic equation can have maximum of two roots. Okay, but here y has so many roots. Okay, y satisfied every angle between this one, right? So many angles, so many values in this range it satisfies, which means this quadratic equation has more than two roots, which means it's a identity. If it is identity, you know that coefficient should be equal to 0, right? So coefficients are 3 root 3 minus beta equal to 0. So you get beta value from this. Then you substitute here in the second one, you get alpha minus gamma equation. Okay, and then 6 alpha plus 2 root 3 gamma is the third equation, which is equal to 0. From this, if I solve it, I'll get alpha and gamma. Okay, so solve this carefully. The values you get is alpha equal to minus 2 root 3, beta equal to 3 root 3, and gamma equal to 6. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is nothing but 75. This is the answer. Next, the sides of triangle ABC, okay, A comma B comma C are in AP arithmetic progression. Then what is the value of tan of A by 2 plus tan of C by 2 ratio with cot of B by 2? Okay, so whenever you see triangle and half angles, there are some formulae there. Okay, so what are the things we use in this one is S is nothing but A plus B by 2, okay, half perimeter. Then ABC are in AP, which means B is equal to A plus C by 2. Then we use this tan of half angle, tan of A by 2 in a triangle is equal to square root of S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. Okay, so whenever a new formula comes, please try to understand. You have to remember this. Okay, and how to the easiest way to remember is, okay, try the proof. Okay, uh, try the proof one. So in the exam, even if you don't remember, you can use the proof actually because and derive the formula there. Okay, if you have time. So let's check. The proof is simple. Try it yourself. Okay, so we know in a triangle, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is half perimeter, and cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC, right? So now from this we can derive cos A by 2 because we have cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1, which is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Okay, so sin A by 2 I can derive, cos A by 2 I can derive using this square root of 1 minus cos A by 2 and square root of 1 plus cos A by 2. Okay, if I substitute the values here, tan A by 2 is nothing but sin by cos, which is nothing but this value, right? I only need 1 minus square root of 1 minus cos A divided by square root of 1 minus cos 1 plus cos A. If I substitute the values and simplify it carefully, what I will get is this value. Because here, uh, we can do very easily this way. A minus B plus C, okay, this is nothing but A square minus B square form, right? So A minus B plus C into A plus B minus C divided by B plus C minus A into B plus C plus A. Okay, this is S. This is nothing but S minus A. Okay, by 2. Basically, you will get by 2 S minus into some, yeah, multiple you will get, but same thing gets cancelled here. Okay, this is also 2S. This is also 2 times S minus A. Okay, so here things will get cancelled because this is nothing but S minus C. This is nothing but S minus B. Okay, so this is the proof of this one, tan. Similarly, you can do it for cos and sine very easily. Okay, so let's get into the problem now. Okay, now the problem is very simple, right? Tan of A plus A by 2 plus tan of C by 2 ratio with cot of B by 2. So this is nothing but division. So if I multiply, then it will become tan of B by 2 and multiply with each term here, right? So tan of A by 2 into tan of B by 2 plus tan of B by 2 into tan of C by 2. Okay, so this is what it is. Now I substitute the values. Okay, and if I look at it, most of the things gets cancelled, right? S minus A and S minus B gets cancelled. So I am left with S minus C whole square into S square. And here I am left with S minus A whole square into divided by S square. So that is nothing but S minus C by S plus S minus A by S. If I simplify, this is what I'll get and replace S with A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. Then what I will get is 2 by 3. This is the answer. As we said, the new formula, tan of A by 2 in a triangle, right? Let's learn some trigonometric formula for a triangle. Okay, what are the things so far we have seen trigonometric formula for triangle? Let's list them out here. Okay, first one is we know sine rule. Okay, sine A by A equal to sine B by B equal to sine C by C, which is 1 by 2R. R is the circumradius of a triangle. Okay, now area of a triangle, you can say half AB cos C, which is also equal to half BC cos A equal to half CA cos B. Okay, here carefully you check AB, if you are taking sides, the angle is between them, okay, which is cos C. Okay, you take two sides and the angle between them. Okay, so next is cos of A equal to, we know this one, cosine rule of triangle, B square plus C square minus A square by BC. Here when you have angle A, then A will become negative and A is not present in the denominator. Okay, so similarly cos B and cos C. Okay, next is A cos B plus B cos A equal to C. This is also very useful and important one. You derive it yourself, okay? Or you check my video, one of the charts. I think I gave the derivation of this one, okay? So A cos B, okay? Here it is angle B. Then B cos A. Here angle is A and side is B, which is equal to C, third side. So similarly, B cos C plus C cos B is A. C cos A plus A cos C equal to B. Okay, this is also very important to remember. Now next is half angle rules. Cos square A by 2. Okay, I just put cos square. If you want cos A by 2, it is square root. Okay, cos square A by 2 equal to S into S minus A by BC. Okay, so here because angle is A, we get S into S minus A divided by BC. Okay, similar to this one if you see. BC only here, right? So BC. So cos square B by 2 and cos square C by 2 similarly you can see. Then tan uh, tan square A by 2 equal to S minus B into uh, S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. Similarly, tan square B by 2 and tan square C by 2. And from cos square, you can easily get what is sine square, right? So these are the important formulae to remember. As you practice more and derive it once, I think you will remember the formulas easily. Okay, you need to do some problems based on this and also derive yourself. Okay, so next problem. Okay, if cos of x by 2 cos of x by 2 square into cos of up to cos of x by 2 to the power of n equal to sin x divided by 2 to the power of n sin x by 2 to the power of n. Okay, then what is the value of half tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 square tan x by 2 square plus up to 1 by 2 to the power of n tan x by 2 to the power of n. Okay, if you look at carefully, every cos has turned into a tan x by 2 and you have a half here. Okay, whatever is the x by 2 term, basically x by whatever 2 or 2 square has become coefficient also. Okay, product also. This is possible if you remember log cos derivation. Okay, right? So differentiation of log cos x is nothing but 1 by cos x, okay, because log x is 1 by x. So 1 by cos x and cos x derivation is minus sin x. So this is nothing but minus tan x. So just if you see, if it is cos x by 2, if you put it here, it will become minus half tan x by 2. If you put cos x by 2 square, then it will become minus 1 by 2 square tan x by 2 square. So this is what we are getting. Only difference is this is in product here, this is in addition. And logarithm, once you apply logarithm, the products will become addition, right? So you apply logarithm on this equation on both sides of this one. So what you will get is log of this expression product turns into log of summation, basically summation of logarithms of sum of cos x by 2 plus sum of log cos x by 2 square plus log, sorry, not log cos x by 2 cube up to log cos x by 2 to the power of n, okay, which is nothing but log of sin x by whatever this value, okay, RHS side. Now, if I differentiate this equation, correct, what I will get is, and this one I can make it log a minus log b basically, okay. If I differentiate, I'll get, okay, minus of half tan x by 2 plus half tan x by 2 square up to 1 by 2 to the power of n tan x by 2 to the power of n, which is nothing but same as what we are looking for, right? Which is equal to, okay, this is equal to, if I differentiate this one, okay, log of sin x is nothing but 1 by sin x and sin x differentiation is cos x. So cos x by sin x, then this differentiation is nothing but 1 by 2 to the power of n sin of x by 2 to the power of n, okay, and x by 2 to the power of n, yeah, you'll get it here, and the sine of x by 2 to the power of n log is differentiation is cos of 1 by x power 2 to the power of n, and you will get 2 to the power of n in the denominator because you have x by 2 to the power of n differentiation is 1 by 2 to the power of n whole square you will get. So which will cancel this 1 of the 2 to the power of n. Okay. So now this is nothing but cot x minus 1 by 2 to the power of n cot x by 2 to the power of n. Okay, so this is the answer. Only thing is it has a negative sign here, so move the negative sign to the other side. It will become, answer is 1 by 2 to the power of n cot of x by 2 to the power of n minus cot x. Okay, so just do it carefully, and you just need to get idea of one of the term. Okay, one term, how it can convert cos x by 2 convert into tan x by 2. Once you know this, it's done. Okay, next. Okay, f of theta equal to 3 times Sine to the power of 4, 3 pi by 2 minus theta plus sine to the power of 4, 3 pi plus theta minus 2 times 1 minus sine square 2 theta, and S is given as theta belongs to 0 to pi f dash theta, which is first differentiation, equal to minus root 3 by 2. If 4 beta is sum of theta, then what is f of beta? Okay, the problem looks very complicated, but you have to do step by step. Okay, solve one by one, you will get answer very easily. Okay, so first thing is this is what is given, f of theta, correct? So if I change it, okay, this is nothing but 3 times sine of 3 pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but cos minus cos theta, right? So since it is power 4, minus will go off. So this term is nothing but cos to the power of 4 theta. Now next is sine to the power of 4, 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta is nothing but minus sine theta. Since power 4 is there, again negation will go off. So plus sine to the power of 4 theta minus 2. Okay, then plus 2 sine square 2 theta as wrote as this. Okay, now I will convert this one, okay, into sine square 2 theta, right? I need to convert this into sine square 2 theta. How can I do this? This is nothing but a square plus b square whole square minus 2ab, correct? So this is 1, value is 1, and here it is nothing but you can get sine 2 theta form, right? So this will become f of theta is nothing but 3 times 1 minus half sine 2 theta minus 2 plus 2 sine square 2 theta. Okay. So if I simplify, this is what? 1 plus half sine square 2 theta. 1 plus half sine square 2 theta. Sorry, this is square here actually. This is square. This is square. So it will become uh, 1 plus half sine square 2 theta. Right. Okay. So now f dash theta is nothing but if I have to just differentiate this one. So this will become 1, the 1 here is gone when I differentiate. So half into 2 times. So 2 by 2 is cancelled. Okay, 2 times sine 2 theta, and sine 2 theta differentiation is cos 2 theta. Then 2 theta differentiation is 2. So which is nothing but sine 4 theta. So sine 4 theta is given as minus square root of 3 by 2. Right, now this is simple. Now I just need to find out what is my theta out of this, right? So 4 theta is nothing but pi plus, I need a negative 60, right? So pi plus pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3, 3 pi plus pi by 3, 4 pi minus pi by 3. I can write some more because I need to finally restrict theta to 0 to pi. Okay. So if I check the theta, theta is nothing but if I take 4 other side, then it will become, I get pi by 3, 5 pi by 12, 10 pi by 12, and 11 pi by 12. Okay. You can write a few more here and see if it is within pi or not. Okay. So these are the 4 terms within the boundary of 0 to pi. Okay. Now you got theta. Now you need sum of theta. So 4 beta is equal to sum of these theta values, which is nothing but 30 pi by 12, which is 5 pi by 2. Okay, so beta is nothing but 5 pi by 8. Beta is 5 pi by 8. So f of beta is nothing but f of 5 pi by 8. I can replace here. This is the simplest equation which I have, right? So 1 plus half sine square 2 beta, which is 1 plus half sine square 5 pi by 4, which is if I substitute the values, I'll get 5 by 4. This is the answer. 5 divided by 4. This is the answer. Next. Okay. The answer is already seen. Okay. If tan of pi by 9, x tan of 7 pi by 18 are in arithmetic progression, and tan of pi by 9, y, and tan of 5 pi by 18 also in arithmetic progression, then what is the value of x absolute x minus 2y? Okay, so just take what is x, what is y. X is nothing but average of first and last terms there, correct? So x is nothing but tan of pi by 9 plus tan of 7 pi by 18 by 2. 2y is nothing but tan of pi by 9 plus tan of 5 pi by 18, right? Now x minus 2y modulus is this value. Okay, so this is nothing but if I take half out, this is nothing but tan of 7 pi by 18 minus tan of pi by 9 minus 2 tan 5 pi by 18. Okay, so this is the value. Now look at the angles here. Actually, there is some relation you can find it. This is nothing but 2 pi by 18. 2 pi by 18, correct? So 7 pi by 18, 2 pi by 18, and 5 pi by 18. 7 pi by 18 minus 2 pi by 18 is 5 pi by 18, right? Now you apply tan and see what happens, right? 5 pi by 18 is equal to 7 pi by 18 minus 2 pi by 18. So apply tan on both sides. right? This is what it is. Then tan of 5 by 18 is nothing but this value, right? So if I take this denominator to the other side, it will become tan of 5 pi by 18 plus all three products here. Okay, tan of 5 pi by 18, tan of 7 pi by 18 into tan of pi by 9, which is equal to tan of 7 pi by 18 minus tan of pi by 9. Okay, so now what I need to know is, okay, so tan of 7 pi by 18 is nothing but cot of pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 18, right? Actually, if you put these numbers instead of radians in degrees, if you put, this is very easy to understand. Okay, 7 pi by 18 is nothing but 70 degrees. Pi by 9 is nothing but 20 degrees. So tan of 70 degrees equal to cot of 20 degrees, which is same. So I will write this tan of 70 degrees as tan of pi by cot of pi by 9, right? Cot 20 degrees. Then it gets cancelled. I am left with 2 tan 5 pi by 18 I am left with equal to tan 7 pi by 18 minus tan pi by 9. Okay. So R tan 7 pi by 18 minus tan pi by 9 minus 2 tan 5 pi by 18 equal to 0. This whole value is 0. Okay. If this whole value is 0, then x minus 2y absolute value is also 0. Right? That's the answer. Next. Yeah, thank you. So these are the critical problems which I collected. Please keep doing maths more, and the more trigonometric problems you can check my charts. Okay, and as I said, you have to solve the formulae. Okay, proof of it. You have to do it to remember. Thank you.